Nagsalita na ang anak ni Congressman Albi Benitez na si Javi Benitez hinggil sa issue ng kanyang mga magulang na kung saan damay ang actress-vlogger na si Ivana Alawi. Ayon kay Javi, ayaw na umano sana niyang maglabas pa ng statement hinggil sa issue. Ngunit alam naman daw niyang hindi niya maiiwasan ang mga naglalabasang balita ngayon. Ayon pa dito, ay ang mga taong totoo umanong nakakaalam ng buong kwento ng kanilang pamilya ay hindi naglalabas o nagpo-post sa social media. Nais lang daw sana ni Javi na sa gitna ng hindi pagkakasundo ng kanyang mga magulang bilang mag-asawa, sana daw magkasundo pa din sila bilang mga magulang nilang magkapatid na si Bettina. Ayoko na sanang magsalita pero alam kong hindi ko rin ito may iwasan. Ang mga totoong nakakaalam ng buong kwento, tahimik lang. Hindi sila nasa balita, hindi rin sila nagpo-post. Ang hiling ko lang sana, magkaintindihan pa rin ang mga magulang ko bilang magulang namin ni Bettina at kung maaari pa bilang mag-asawa rin. Sana balang araw makahanap din kami ng tamang pag-ibig, yung hindi nasusukat sa pera, status o panlabas na imahe, kundi sa respeto, lambing at tunay na partnership sa buhay. Gusto ko rin pasalamatan ang lahat ng tahimik na nag-abot ng malasakit sa message, tawag o kahit simpleng dasal. Salamat! Alam ko, hindi lang kami ang may ganitong sitwasyon, pero sana may ayos din sa huli. Move on na tayo sa chismis, fake news at paid drama. Ang dami pa nating kailangang ayusin sa bansa. Doon tayo mag-invest ng energy. Sa huli, hindi views, likes o pera ang sukatan ng tao, kundi ang puso. Let's choose to be kind. Samantala, para naman sa ama ni Javi ay baseless umano ang paratang sa kanya ng kanyang asawa. Ayon kay Albi Benitez, matagal na umano silang hindi nagkakaunawang mag-asawa, lalo na daw pagdating sa mga ari-arian nila na si Albi ang bumili na nakapangalan naman daw kay Mrs. Nikki Benitez. Sa pamamagitan ng legal counsel ni Albi ay naglabas ito ng statement kaugnay sa kasong isinampa sa kanya ng kanyang asawa. Ayon dito, Mayor Alfredo Abelardo Albi Benitez firmly denies the baseless and retaliatory allegations made against him by his estranged spouse under Republic Act No. 9262 or the Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act for alleged economic and psychological abuse. This case was filed shortly after Mayor Benitez initiated annulment proceedings in 2024, raising serious doubts about the complainant's motives. The Vauci complaint hinged on allegations dating back as far as 21 years ago. Every property acquired during the marriage, including the multi-million peso residence in Forbes Park and Dasmariñas Village, was fully paid for by Mayor Benitez using his own resources, but titled in the name of the complainant, Dominic Lopez Benitez. This also includes high-value assets such as condominium units, luxury vehicles, and substantial amount of publicly listed shares, all of which were funded by Mayor Benitez but registered under her name. Despite a judicial dissolution of their property regime in 2004, Mayor Benitez continued to provide not just ordinary support, but a high standard of living, shouldering personal, household, and even extended family expenses for more than 2 decades. This included the complainant's travel, business, ventures, staff, and credit card charges, even long after their separation. It is equally unsettling that a third party has been unnecessarily dragged into this private matter. The mention of individuals unrelated to the merits of the case only serves to divert attention and inflame public sentiment in the complainant's favor. Section 44 of RA 9262 explicitly mandates the confidentiality of all proceedings and parties involved. The unwarranted disclosure of identities and unverified claims constitutes a clear violation of this provision. Mayor Benitez remains fully cooperative with all legal process and is confident that the evidence, financial records, property documents, and testimonies will disprove these false and vindictive claims. We respectfully ask the public and the media to allow the legal system to take its course and to refrain from the unethical practice of sensationalizing this case. Samantala, narito naman ang ilang reaksyon ng publiko sa ginawang pagsasalita o paglalabas ng statement ni Javi Benitez. Addressing it with grace, there's no such thing as perfect family. Many of us are also going through quiet battles in our homes and relationships. What matters is the effort to understand one another. Your honesty and maturity in handling the situation is admirable. It's not easy, but your words reflect strength, compassion, and growth. I hope peace, clarity finds its way back to you and to your family. Alam mong napalaki ng tama ang mga bata. Kudos sa nanay, 100%. Congratulations! Dapat kang tularan ng mga magulang. Kung ano man ang pinagdaanan, lahat yan may dahilan si Lord. Patuloy na piliin na maging mabuting tao dahil walang bayad yan, bagkos may sukli ka pa. Praising you, Mayor Javi, on how you address the issue with full of grace and respect. Praying for your family with reconciliation and endless love. Tagal ng rumors din sa sikat na vlogger pero natatakpan ng pagiging generous at mabait niya kuno sa content. Still hoping po na maayos pa rin. Family is family.